So I'm letting my dad drive my 800 horsepower Mustang for the first time. You ever drove a new car like this? New Mustang?
No, I don't have a driver's license with me.
Well, I have mine, so if you need to borrow mine. We'll see. See if
give you the ticket.
Yeah. Well, you bought the car, so it's only fair that.
Oh, it's touchy.
It's a little bit touchy. Sounds nice. This is the first time that I've rode in the passenger seat since it's been boosted. I haven't even let Sam drive it since it's been boosted. Exciting to me than getting to drive the car myself. What do you think? This is great. And he hasn't even really opened it up yet.
I have a radar detector.
I do, it's right there. It's on. So then if the cops come, we can turn it on quiet mode. And then you can't hear it at all. Isn't that crazy? And then put it back on track mode, and you can hear it loud again.
Sure that radar detector works?
Yeah, it's turned on. Dad driving the car, first time. He's also a car enthusiast. What year's your car?
48.
48 Chevy.
I don't think it'll go this fast though.
I don't know either.
How many gears we got?
6, yeah.
Jeez. It's only in third.
I know. So it'll do 104. 100? We're in Mexico now. That was 100.
Guadalupe. I should get one of these.
Yeah, you should. You got a little higher. You got a little higher on the RPMs that time. He says I should get one of these. Would you get a Camaro? Is he a Chevy guy? Or a Corvette? I don't know. I'll take you over one day. I had to take you over. You could drive all 3 of them. See what one you like the best. Do you feel it swerving back for you? If you start to swerve over too far to the left, it'll swerve back into the lane for you. That's what those 2 green lines are right there, saying that it's working. Okay, but you got to tell us real quick. What'd you think of it?
It's amazing.
You like it?
Yeah.
He said, what'd you say in there? You might have to get you one?
Yeah, I might have hit one of those.
Oh, that's awesome. Don't forget to hit like if you guys enjoyed today's video. What? You what? A bottle? Yep, I'll go grab the bottle.
You guys going over to the show?
We already did. Here it goes. Now, you want to go drive it again?